Hi everyone, I'm Yogesh Shroff, partner at Magnus Hathaway Investments and ex-equity research analyst at Goldman Sachs. Today, we are going to do a live case study on special situations investing. Special situations investing opportunities is a high risk, high reward strategy जहाँ कंपनी में कोई बड़ा corporate event हो रहा हो, जैसे management change, merger, demerger, corporate restructuring या कोई और ऐसा corporate action जो business की direction को fundamentally बदल सकता है. पास्ट में अगर हम देखें तो some special situations have created massive wealth for investors. Look at Suzlon. The stock went from around 5 rupees to 50 rupees. Look at CG Power. The stock delivered extraordinary returns after its turnaround. दोनों केसेस में कंपनी एनसीएलटी से बाहर आई, न्यू मैनेजमेंट से टेक ओवर किया या डेट रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग हुई. Also guys, if you like such content, then consider subscribing to the channel. We are the only ones to study all the conference calls and investor presentations and then give our insights on YouTube. That too for free. Why wouldn't you subscribe? Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting special situation that started a couple of months back. The company's name is Indiabulls Enterprises. The stock went from around 16 rupees to 900 rupees and then back to 9 rupees, all within the last 15 years. During this period, there were a lot of allegations around promoters. The company also had a housing finance business which ran into trouble around 2018. There were significant asset liability mismatch issues and book was also not managed very well. However, the company has now completed a restructuring. If you look at the March 2026 results and the con call, I think that's the most important thing to understand. The management mentioned clearly the group had around 17 entities across different businesses. They had the brokerage business, which was called Dhani, along with several other subsidiaries. What they have done now is combine everything into a structure and shut down the non-core businesses. Today, they essentially have two businesses left, a real estate business and a brokerage business. They also said the balance sheet of the company is net debt free. It also has a cash balance of around 750 crores. It also has around 1000 crores from the earlier loan book, and it appears that most of this money should come back. So total, we can assume around 1500 crores of net cash in the business. Additionally, they also mentioned that the real estate business, which has a gross development value of 21,000 crores, and honestly, I stay in Mumbai, and the kind of past projects they have delivered is top notch and some of the most iconic towers that the city has. So the entire gross development value does not happen in just 1 or 2 years. It's a longer term business pipeline. This year is going to be around 8,000 crores worth of launches, and most of the projects that they have, if you look in the investor presentation, are based in Gurgaon. The management clearly mentioned that they expect real estate profits to go 2x in FY27 and 3x by FY28. And obviously, all of this is happening on a lower base. So they expect the profits to hit around 1000 crores in the next 3 years for the real estate business. All of this is available at market capitalization of roughly 6000 crores. Another interesting point is the shareholder base. A couple of quarters back, Cohesion Fund, led by Madhusudan Kela, invested in this company. He's one of the most reputed investors in India, and that's how the company first came onto my radar as well. But that being said, the company has done some very sketchy things in the past. Investors should not ignore that history. But please note, the stock price has already reacted to a lot of these things. The stock price went up from 9 rupees to 25 rupees in the last couple of months. I want to make a very big disclosure. This is purely an educational case study. Me or my clients may not hold this stock. That should not be any of your concerns. Share this video with your investor friends and subscribe to this channel.